Hi, my name is Joe Ludlow. I'm the owner of LeakDetectionSpecialist.com. I use state-of-the-art ultrasonic leak detection equipment and state-of-the-art infrared equipment. Our infrared equipment is so good it's used by all militaries and law enforcement all over the world. From the time that I arrive at your house, I'm going to find that leak accurately and quickly. The equipment matters, the training matters, the results matter. We are the best value, the best bang for the buck in the leak detection industry. Once I've located the leak, I'm going to teach you every option available to you, from localized repair to reroutes and repipes, and also how to deal with your insurance companies. Again, my name is Joe Ludlow. I'm the owner of LeakDetectionSpecialist.com. Please give me a call at any time to schedule an appointment.